Searching for the top to-do app that will eliminate distractions and maximize focus in 2026? This video will highlight the comparison between Lunatask, Notion, and Amplenote to identify the most productive among them. Let's get started. Lunatask is a distraction-free focus engine. The app features everything from tasks, time blocking, habit tracker, mood journal, and zero-knowledge encryption-based privacy, all in one integrated application that utilizes Kanban and Eisenhower views to enforce deep work. Available for free to use with a premium subscription costing approximately $6 per month. Operates offline on desktop, iOS, and Android platforms with an impressive rating over 4.5. Best suited for individuals who value personal structuring without any concerns about security, vulnerabilities of database access via clouds. Notion excels as the ultimate flexible workspace tool. Create your own databases, wiki sites, and team collaboration pages. Enhanced by Notion Calendar and AI powered automations for scheduling and content creation. Perfect for any type of project, yet its versatility comes with a steep learning curve and may be overwhelming if you wish to focus alone. Individual free account and plus plan for $10 per user per month for teams. Works across multiple platforms with large community base and ratings of 4.7 plus. Choose Notion for teams or complicated processes. Ample Notes seamlessly combines notes and tasks. Tasks are part of your notes with a special task score, which prioritizes tasks according to importance and urgency, and even includes calendar synchronization and bidirectional links, meaning no context switching is required. Free plan and paid pro account at $5.84 per month and $10 per month, respectively. Works through the web interface, desktop application, and mobile apps like iOS and Android. Amplenote has been highly regarded because of its idea execution workflow. So, if you need laser focus and want something that plays into your personal productivity habits, Lunatask is the one to go with. It automatically structures itself and puts your privacy first, which makes it impossible to procrastinate. If you have a team and complex projects where everything needs to be connected, Notion takes the cake.